My name is Alex Nicolini. I'm the Computer Graphics and Print Technology instructor here at PBTCC. This is my 5th year here. I teach students Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. We cover Illustrator and Photoshop heavy. We have a full-service print shop, which we deal with the general public and the school district here. We do projects for both. We have a screen printing setup, so t-shirts, hoodies, sweatpants, etc., anything apparel related, we're able to handle that. We have a wide format printer and a car in our shop to practice wrapping, as that's becoming a bigger industry for advertising purposes. We have 15 iMacs in the classroom, that every student gets an iMac in their own Creative Cloud account. And I actually took this class my junior and senior year of high school, and they helped me acquire a job, and I never had to work fast food or retail. I've been in the industry since high school, so very thankful and blessed that this was here. If you take the program and you decide that, being a designer is not for you, you still have that skill set. So if you go to get a job anywhere else, you're only going to be more attractive to your employer if you're able to design